Okay guys, so the thing is, in this video we'll call a spade a spade. We'll try as much as possible to be realistic with our price prediction, so that it won't just be as if we're exaggerating things the way some of the YouTubers do. So here's the thing, we'll call a spade in this video. So Assemble Protocol is currently on the watch list of 7,000 people, just 7,000 people. That should give you a signal, that should give you an edge over millions of people that are yet to get to know or discover this project. Now here's the thing, Coinbase don't list anyhow shitty project. Before a project should make its way to Coinbase, it's usually passed through a lot of scrutinization. So here's the thing, Assemble Protocol is down 8% in the last 24 hours, which is good, which is right, and it's also necessary for correction is necessary, you understand. So as an investor, temporary dip shouldn't bother you a lot, you understand, because it's just a temporary dip and a little bit of correction. So looking at the overall market, cryptocurrency market cap right now, we're down 2.4% in the last 24 hours, and initially we were at 2.88 trillion dollars, but now we're down to 2.6. So we're not just witnessing the correction with Assemble Protocol. As you can see, a lot of projects are also witnessing correction right now. So correction is needed for further upward movement. So Assemble Protocol is currently ranked number 432 on the CoinMarketCap ranking out of 13,000 cryptos, and the price is currently trading at around 16 cents. So looking at the circulating supply right now, which is around 680 million Assemble Protocol token ASM, 680 million, and looking at the total supply and also the maximum supply, you can tell, like easily tell, that Assemble Protocol can still go easy 100x. Like, I try as much as possible not to exaggerate things. That's why I make my findings thoroughly before coming on YouTube to make videos. Like, considering the market cap right now, which is 680 million, 79,761 token in circulation, ASM token in circulation. As I see Assemble Protocol to go an easy 46x in the immediate short term. If the price should go 46x from where it is right now, we should be expecting a market cap of $5.4 billion market cap. And currently our market cap is super low, which is around 110 million market cap. So a 5.4 billion market cap is very possible for this project, considering the team behind the project and considering the background of the project. The project is a very solid project. Like, please permit me to bring those new to Assemble Protocol up to speed, like those intending investors. So please permit me to bring them up to speed. Assemble Protocol is a blockchain based global point integration platform. It basically provides its users an unrestricted opportunity to use their point, similarly as they use their cash anywhere in the world without any time or place constraint. So it's built on the Ethereum blockchain, and so heading to 5.4 billion market cap will take the price to $8 from where it is now. The price is currently at 16 cents. It will take the price to $8. That's almost 4,600% pump. That's 46x, which is very realistic considering the bull market phase we are right now in the cryptocurrency. And there are speculations out there that we might witness a super cycle, which happened 2017. So with that being said, guys, I don't intend making this video lengthy. Let's just head to the chat and see some stuff for ourselves, so that it won't just be as if we're just sugarcoating stuff, just making assumption and the rest. Okay, the chat got to load real quick. So getting Assemble Protocol listed on Binance is going to be a very mega welcome development. Like, it's going to skyrocket the price. Like, the level of exposure is going to be massive, like super massive. So as you can see, initially we were trading around this bull flag, and we discussed if he's able to close above the bull flag, then he should be heading to 0.20 cent, 20 cent, and after it successfully maybe closed above the 0.20 cent, then it should be heading to 0.21 cent. But unfortunately, we were unable to close above that, and we broke down the bull flag. So it's still not something to worry about, because we're still trading. We are in the accumulation phase right now. As you can see, we are kind of consolidating. We are in the accumulation phase right now. A lot of people are accumulating, and we are also accumulating in an ascending triangle. As you can see over here, this is a clear ascending triangle. And what happened in an ascending triangle, let's just check it out, so that it won't just be as if we're just making mere assumption. So as you can see, in the ascending triangle, we are currently accumulating. We're currently trading around the ascending triangle, and an ascending triangle is a bullish triangle, which we are likely to just shoot and just break and then go parabolic. So the temporal correction shouldn't be something you should worry much about. That's why it's always advised you invest the amount you can afford to lose, and then invest wisely. But ASM project token is a very solid token, so I see no reason why you should panic a lot. It's okay to panic, like it's very okay to panic. But when the panicking and when you allow it to affect your mental peace, your peace of mind, that's when it's getting out of hand, which I don't really advise you let it get out of hand. As you can see on the 1 minute time frame for assemble ASM, the buyers are currently winning the war. On the 5 minute, the buyers are winning the war. Like, okay, the sellers are winning the war on the 5 minute. So heading to the daily time frame, which if you want to know the real price direction for a particular token in a long term, the best time frame to use is the higher time frame. So on the daily time frame, the buyers are winning the war, as you can see, and on the weekly time frame, likewise, it's neutral. On the 1 month, is likely to be neutral. So there's nothing to panic about. We're just witnessing a little bit of correction, which is necessary for further upward movement. So here's the thing. I don't know why my network is kind of slow. As you can see, we're trading above the 200-day EMA, which is a welcome development, which is a mega welcome development. And let's just check our MACD out. MACD, okay, no, MACD, we're talking about MACD. Okay, so our MACD is currently not looking that bad. Looking at the daily time frame, oh god. Okay, I think because the project is still very young, MACD doesn't have any, what's it called, any data for the daily time frame. So you're still very much early to this project. Looking at the daily time frame, you will notice the MACD is still very bullish. It's still far above the zero line, which is a welcome development. So we are in the bull market phase right now, so I don't see a reason why you should panic sell. Like most times they will manipulate the market for you to sell so that they can buy low. So enough is enough. Like, we should get smart now. Okay, so my name is Isaac. In case you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing before leaving. It really means a lot to me. I appreciate your love and support. For those that have subscribed already, I really appreciate your love and support also. So as always, in case you like content like this, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I drop new video like this. Like, as you know, always we don't exaggerate things on this channel. We call a spade a spade. We tell it the way we see it. So as always, peace out. Have a nice weekend. Safe.